Ooh, in the forest where the cool breeze blew, lives a tailor named Taylor, a true Jano. We are a needle and a thread. She crafted the need for the cold little creature. She soldier seed. Tailor the tailor, she sew it up tight. Garments for the animals when the frost bite. For the little rabbit, she stitch a hoodie. For the lion king, a cloak so goody.
Under the cedar, she sip her brew. Roots and the herbs for the soul renew. Sweet little berries she pick from the vine. Jah bless our table, our art and our time.
Tailor the tailor,
Make Jah work shine.
sewing for the creatures,
One stitch at a time.
with the rooty steaming and the berries so sweet. She walk in Jah love with the earth beneath her feet. The fox come running, him coat look torn. Tailor said no worry, me fix it for your barn. The owl fly down, him feathers feel chill. Tailor said me make you warm pan Jah will. With an eagle flash bright like a star in a night. Tailor saw the cold away, bring them delight. With each little stitch, she chant a hymn. Jah guide the forest from root to limb. Tailor the tailor,
Make Jah work shine.
sewing for the creatures,
One stitch at a time.
with the rooty steaming and me berries so sweet. She walk in Jah love with the earth beneath her feet. Jah give her the skill, Jah give her the care. For the creatures where shiver, Jah make her prepare. With the thread and the cloth and the Rastaman beat. Tailor the tailor, keep the forest complete. She hum a little tune pon the evening breeze. Stitching warm coats while the moonlight tease. From the highest tree top to the ground so low. Tailor's work shine, Jah blessings flow. Tailor the tailor, make Jah work shine. Sewing for the creatures, one stitch at a time. With the rooty steaming and the berries so sweet. She walk in Jah love with the earth beneath her feet. So when the cold wind blow and you feel it true, Tailor the tailor will craft for you too. In a Jah forest our love can't miss. Tailor the tailor, Jah bless her with bliss. Roll up this clip for warlock style, 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 style. Pound these poor girls in the vibe, 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 vibe. Mystic fire vision rise. See the numbers in the skies.
Deep in the jungle, where the moonlight gleam, lives a Rasta warlock with the craziest dreams. Got no front teeth, so we soft when he eat. Just pudding and treat, avoid the meat. He roll up the spliff, make a curse so strong. Toenails, pug ears, oh it burn too long. One deep draw, now his vision ignite. See them wild, wild horses running through the night. Oh, mystic Rasta warlock man, see the future in the puff for the ganja strand. While wild horses 1 through 9, they're running, combing through space and time. No bank, no government, no Babylon plan. Yeah, be free as the horse ride, a true Rasta man. River water bubble in the old tin cup, he chanting ancient spells while the fire blaze up. Running from the taxman, ducking from the feds. He'd rather be dead than be marked and led. Dollar bill wicked, full of lies and tricks. Rather trade a spliff for some roots and sticks. He don't trust no suit, no mortgage sign. He trusts the horses numbered 1 through 9. Oh, mystic, Rasta, warlock man. See the future in the puff for the ganja strand. While horses 1 through 9, they're running, combing through space and time. No bank, no government, no Babylon plan. Yeah, be free as the horse ride, a true Rasta man. He take a deep puff, let the spirit show. Mystic winds start to rise and blow. Through the smoke, he see them ride. 9 great horses, numbers locked inside. One by one they gallop and turn. Flames in the hoof prints, the visions burn. 3 and 5, 7 and 2, secret cup.